so far. It's a beautiful day out. Tired already? We barely got anywhere. They are very tired already. We haven't even gone that far. Come on, babe, you can do it. Morning. Hi. To the left.
2人ロックしてます。みんな一緒にするのかな、ロック。
Masks, doesn't say anything about masks, so we should. They have pastries. They also get breakfast and stuff, so.
I wish it was like the middle of the day. I want a caramel window.
You can get later though.
Yeah, we'll get one of these to go later, yeah. For breakfast, they have sandwiches.
かわいいね。
Double fudge.
すごいね。
これ
これ好きでしょ。アップルが入ってるね。ストロベリーのも美味しそう。チーズケーキかな。ストロベリー。
どこがこれも
美味しそうね。
そうね。ケルの。
Thank you.
The soup is really hot, by the way.
Really?
Like, really hot.
Daddy, it's overflowing.
Oh, it's so hot! It is overflowing, you're right. I didn't expect it to be that much, eh?
入れすぎました。いいでいいで。
It's so hot.
あれ。
She said it'll burn your face off.
そういうの食べたの。
I'll try a little bite. Really good. This was a good idea, boy.
チーズでできた？
Really good. Good? Oh, this bowl. Better than usual? Yeah, good.
あ、本当？
Oh my god.
あ、熱かった。
They cook it right, huh? Yeah, it's a little hotter. Not even a fold up, huh? Good, right? Really good. I didn't expect lobster bisque to be so good with this.
Bread is good too.
Really good bread. Probably not the best meal for a hot day, but
そんなに熱くないもん。そんなに熱くない。
pretty hot.
まだばないな。美味しい。
Did you guys get this at Disneyland?
Oh, in the Star Wars land, I think we got a soup bowl.
No, it was not in the Star Wars land.
No.
It was in that little food area.
Yeah. サンダアーダギー
あ、
サータ
アンダギ
うんサーターやったっけ
サーターやった
うんサーターやったねいつも間違える肉団子茶色い粉使ってるから全粒粉の肉団子
Okay, babe. So what is this experiment you're performing on me today? Hold on.
Very fresh. Hot, very hot.
Oh, is it? What is it?
Like a donut.
Like a donut?
Because tofu in it. Tofu.
Oh, tofu? Oh, okay. Oh, it's pretty hard, actually. Oh, it's warm.
Yeah, crunchy.
Okay.
Outside it's crunchy though.
But I'm not gonna die. Mmm.
Can you taste donut?
Mmm.
Can you?
It's really good. I can't taste tofu. Well, you can't really taste tofu, so.
Yeah, I like it.
Especially fresh. It's still warm. Oh my goodness.
And healthier? Little bit?
Well, it's deep fried, right? So I don't know about that. But you don't eat these because they're healthy. You eat these because they're good.
Yeah, kind of favorite.
Mmm. Really good. Really dense, like heavy. Mmm.
My coffee.
Y'all ready for this? Bum, 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 bum. I'm ready for this. Okay, Sophie, go ahead. Grab your own. Trouble? What?
Yes. Okay.
She's not a professional terror.
I smashed mine, so it's like smushed.
So soft.
Really.
Here we go. It's different, right?
メポ
Maple
The dog? Maple!
メポシロップ
I just continued eating.
It is really good. I like it. So now I've got unhealthier bread, but it tastes better, so it's worth it.
ウイスキーうん戻んだ